Hey everybody, welcome to MT2Spectre.com. In today's video, we are going to show you that how can you place automated trades using the MT2Spectre bot and how can you get the signals from MetaTrader. So first of all, let me tell you what MT2Spectre is. It is an automated smart options trading bot. So it means that you can make automated profits. So MT2Spectre, it receives signals from the MetaTrader and it places the trades on your Spectre.ai account automatically. First of all, let me tell you the features that we do offer. Our bot is 100% automated. It means that signals are received automatically. You just need to select the indicator and set the trade amount. Number 2, fast execution. Trades are placed instantly. It supports simultaneous trading different pairs and expiries. Number 3, full control. Adjustable risk and money management, martingale and news filter. It offers safe trading with daily stop loss and take profit, which I'm going to explain later in this video. MT4.5 supported. You can connect any MT4.5 signal indicators or send signals directly from MQL code. We offer flexible solutions for MetaTrader platform. Last but not least is the social trading. You can share signals with others. You can subscribe to signals of professional traders. You can even create your own signal service. Okay, so now we would download the demo account version. You can also activate the full version by clicking up here. So we would download the demo account version. Okay, so I hit the download button and I have already downloaded it. So I'd go back where I have downloaded it and it will be in the zip folder. So the first step that you need to do is that you need to extract it. Here I have already extracted, and once you extract the zip folder, you will have these two files. One is the folder MetaTrader and the other one is the file MT2Spectre.exe, which means it is an executable file. So first step that we're going to do, that we're going to install the MT2Spectre. So we'll double click this executable file. It will ask for the permission and you'd say yes, and then you'd select the language as English. You hit OK, you accept the agreement, next, and then next, and then install. So simple is that. You need to hit some of the next buttons and then it would automatically install. So now you just finish it. So this is the MT2Spectre login page. So once you have logged in from here, make sure that you do not log in on the web version of the Spectre.ai account. Okay, so if you do that, it will automatically be logged out from here. Okay, so you hit OK. So this is the MT2Spectre software. So what we are going to do, that we are going to install MetaTrader now. So right here, if you go into the MetaTrader folder, you will have Alpari setup, Alpari 4 setup. This is also an executable file. You give the permission, you hit next, and it will install the MetaTrader for you. Okay, so this is the Alpari MT4. So from here, you need to select this third option, Alpari ECN demo. You hit next and you will go with the new demo account because we just need to get signals from the MetaTrader. So we're just going to open the demo account. So you go here, you fill up with your information, and then you click on I agree to subscribe to your newsletter, and then you hit next simply, and it's done. So you finish it. Okay. So now you can see here Alpari ECN demo. It's my account that has been created, which is a demo account. So now here are the few things that I need to do. So right here you can see this is the list of the indicators, and I'm going to tell you that how can you import other indicators as well. So what you're going to do here, you're going to go to the file and you're going to hit open data folder. Okay, so once you open that, you go back where you have your MetaTrader folder, you open it up and you go to the MQL4, and right here you can see you have indicators, right? So what you're gonna do here, that you're going to click on the indicators here, and you're going to go into the MQ4 here, and you're going to go to the indicators. So now select all the indicators from here and paste them right here. And now go back and go to the libraries. Similarly, go back from here, go to the libraries. Now select this, drag it out here. Okay. So now we are all done. Now go back to the Alpari, and from here you can select any of the indicator and just click refresh. Once you refresh, you'd be able to see the new libraries that you have added. For example, here is the binary profit that wasn't already there. So once you have imported all the libraries and the indicators, now you can go to each and every symbol, and now what we are going to do, that we are going to create a template for one symbol, and then we are going to save that template, and we are going to implement that template on each and every symbol, right? So the first symbol, we are just going to right click, we are going to go to the chart window, and from here we are going to select M5, candlestick, zoom in a little bit, and then we are going to select the shift end of the chart from the right border. So now once done that, you're going to drag out an indicator from here. So in our case, we are going to drag out the binary profit. Would like to keep the colors same, and we hit OK. So now you can see the little red and green arrows appearing here. Okay. So now what you're going to do, that you are going to drag, first of all, let me go here and check from the indicator list. Yes, we have the binary profit. And now we are going to select the MT2Spectre connector. This is going to act as a bridge between the MetaTrader and the MT2Spectre. So we're just going to drag it out here. So the indicator file name, remember that the indicator file name has to be the same as the indicator name. So our indicator is binary profit, so we are going to name it as same binary profit. So the signal name is optional. You can, name it, or if you don't name it, it doesn't matter. Okay, but we will name it like binary profit. And then you can set the trade amount from here. Let's say I set $5 or maybe $1, and the time would be 5 minutes. And instead of no martingale, I would like to select martingale on next expiry. I would hit OK, and now you can see this small description appearing here. $1 is the trade amount, and the expiry time is 5 minutes. So our template is all set. So we right click and we go here on the template, and we try to save our template that we have created. So we name our template as binary profit. We save it, and now our template has been saved. So you can do the same thing for every symbol. So we'll go to the chart window, we select the M5 and candlesticks, zoom in a little bit, select this. Now right click, go to the template, and you can select the binary profit. Now the template has been loaded. So on the third symbol, we'll select the M5 period, candlesticks, zoom in a little bit, and then we'll select this, right click, go to the template, and load the binary profit. Similarly, you have to do it for all the symbols. So I would fast forward the video from here. Okay, so now once you are done doing all that, you can go here and select this. Once you have done that, now you want to go back to the MT2Spectre bot. You would go here to settings, and from here you can check your minimum payout, and it could be like 70%. And you can also set the trading hours from, let's say, 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. It means that 12 hours of your trading would be there. Then you can limit the open trades per pair, and you can also limit of all open trades as well. Also you can stop the daily stop loss. It means that like if your loss has reached up to a limit like $200, it is going to stop the trade for you. Similarly, you can daily take profit. You can set an amount. For example, if you set it to $250 or $200, it is going to stop once that amount of profit has been achieved. Okay. Then you have trade amount list, trade amount limit. Then you have trade volume limit as well. So the percentage of balance is like 1%. It means that if you have $100 in your account, then the trade amount would be the 1% of the balance. It means that $1 of trade amount. Okay. So similarly, you can increase the percentage, you can decrease the percentage, it's up to you. Then you have this thing from MetaTrader connector. That's what we are going to do. We are going to select here from MetaTrader connector that we have already done. In our case, we have given like 5 minute period and a specific trade amount. Similarly, it is going to take the signals from the MetaTrader, and that amount would be taken from there, from MetaTrader, that we have already done. Okay, so in the general setting, you can, on close, it could minimize to the tray. You can show account balance, you can show trade volume, you can show day profit, and you can also show account number. Okay, so once you have done that, press OK. And now I'm just gonna wait for signals. Okay, so after 5 hours of wait, I have got this here in the table. Okay, so in the similar way you are going to do that. So that's it. One last thing that I want to tell you is that you can always go to our website, and if you have any questions regarding anything like setup and configuration, you have trouble in connecting any error indicator, and you have any difficulty setting up the signal sharing service, anything, you can always click this Skype chat button and you can contact us directly. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed video. Until next time, see you.